If you're on vacation outfits that look cute without trying too hard, this video is for you. I picked up dresses and skirts that are perfect for vacation. Lightweight, feminine, and easy to style.
And I'm feeling good.
These are outfits that you could wear either to dinner or sightsee or just to look around, you know, feeling pretty. Let's get right into the video. This dress is one of those dresses you can just throw on and look effortlessly put together. Not only do I know that the ladies are obsessed over the animal print, now I imagine the animal print that has a back. It's sexy, right? So it is also very lightweight. So if you want something that you could wear and you don't feel like so much is going on. It is actually long or I'm short, I don't know, one of us needs something, I'll tell you that much. So I kind of have to hold it so that I don't break it. So just to remind my so you can see it, this is how it looks out here. So because of the tenuous chronicles, there is a bit of space in between here, but it still looks good. I think I'll still wear it though, even though it's rumpy. I feel like it's so sexy, especially when you're on vacation. Probably say you're going to do a stroll at the beach, maybe you're going to the mall. I feel like it's so chic, it's so, I like it. The fabric is nice, it's light and it moves nicely. And it'll be perfect for warm weather. I think also if you want, you could wear it to dinner or just, you know, a walk around the city, drive. Also would, you know, it would be ideal. It was so bomb. I can't get enough of myself in here. It is so cute. I'm obsessed, okay? So the nice thing about this is you could pair it with some heels, or you can wear sandals. It's like So what's happening here is we have some you tied up here, we also tied up there, down the other, and then this is the fabric we have going on. this portion is adjustable. So if you're gifted, then you can style it however. Personally, I feel given the idea that this portion is a bit loose, it makes more sense for me to kind of pull a bit here to make room, rather to minimize it, not to make it. I want there to be less room, not more. Just that, if you're gonna be moving around city a lot, you can go for sandals. You can pair it with sandals, you get a little handbag. It's such a cute dress that needs minimal styling, because on its own, it is so bad. Okay. Anyway, before I take forever on this one dress, let's do another outfit. I feel like on Thursdays you had the best outfit for vacation, like a skirt set. These are so bomb. Unfortunately, at the making of this video, they've already bought the pink one, but it would not look good in the pink one blue as well. It would not look good in blue as well. So anyway, this is a very long skirt set. I'm literally holding the other part here. I'll try to show y'all in another clip how long it is. So what I just wanted to say was the next thing about skirt sets, the idea that we're going for minimal. You don't want to be stressed about if you're on time for the activity you're going to. So if in doubt, just get a skirt set or any set, okay? Because sets are always eating, I'll tell you that much. So here we have this one. I think I've bought this before. In fact, I do know I've bought it before, and it'll forever be a favorite, mostly because of how just put together the whole thing is. Now let me put you on even more. The nice thing about this outfit is, say you want to go do a little stroll by the beach or whatever, you can just go maybe on your slides chilling, and then you can also, if you want, wear it to the club, to dinner or whatever, and you just have to put on a pair of heels. See how that outfit went from day to night? See how that outfit went from... I'm about to show you. In fact, let me make a video on that, okay? Let me show you guys how this whole thing, like... You don't need to see the skirt with the pair of heels I'm talking about. I don't want to say too much. Idiots. But let me show y'all. I hope the details are clear. This is how long it is. See? This is how long it is. You see? I do try to pull it up a little bit, but there's still very much. It's a tail kind.
No position, yeah, baby, listen. We waking up all the neighbors, but we can have a private party, and you don't have to tell nobody, baby, yeah. And that's why I know that I'm the reason you keep coming back. Girl, you fading. I'm addicted to the way you ride it when you screaming, trying to touch it.
My favorite thing about sets when you're going on vacation is just how, all the damn time you're gonna look effortlessly put together. So one of the other items that I will suggest would be, if you felt like the previous outfit was probably a bit more out there, and you wanted something, you know, a bit more reserved, I would suggest a set of this kind. The nice thing about this is that, once again, it is a very light cloth, right? So the fabric is very light, and also the color. Don't get me started about the color, okay? This is such a beautiful color, and it will be so great even in pictures, like 10 over 10 recommend, okay? And it is so stylish. The nice thing about sets is how it just usually, you know, comes just styled out, and all you have to do is just pull up and dress up, okay? So yeah, and I feel like if you want to look good without, you know, feeling overdressed, this would be a perfect outfit. And just like the previous one, you can go for either with pair of heels, or you can just wear flats because they are long skirts, so either one of the two would work out just fine. I'm moving up and down because I kind of want you guys to appreciate this outfit. It has this little notes that I'm going on here, and also here, and then out here it just scrunched in. I'll try and show you guys how the entire fit looks in a minute, in a second rather. When I pack for vacation, I always go for sets mostly, because in dresses, sets and dresses are like the easy way out when you're trying to figure out something less stressful, but also something that would look put together. Like I've said in my previous video, the nice thing about sets is the idea that you'll find the styling has already been done for you, and all you have to do is worry about the kind of handbag that will go well with that outfit, or the pair of shoes that you have to wear with that, okay? And then the other thing would be, always make sure that your hair is always on point, right? And you don't forget your itinerary, because your clothes also have to match where you're going. You wouldn't want to like pack this and then you're going for a game drive. I don't know, unless you're into that kind of stuff, but I don't think this would be ideal for a game drive though. But you know, I know how to be shooting content everywhere, and you'd want to look this kind of good, but I still feel there is like appropriate outfit that you could wear for a game drive. If you do want a video on that, I could make one. Just let me know in the comment section. But this here would definitely be ideal for either going out for drinks, for dinner. Choosing sets when you're traveling is the best way to go, because they save space, and also it just reduces the mental stress that comes with figuring out what to wear, how to mix and match it, and all of that. And also, like I said, you can always mix the sets themselves one with the other, and just like that, or wear it as a whole, right? Because like with these ones, you can see just how cute it is on its own. You don't have to necessarily mix it with anything else. So with that having been said, thank you all so much for watching. Do let me know in the comment section which was your favorite outfit, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And do remember, you're not depressed, you just haven't seen me on your screens. But I'll be back again next week. Bye.
Fuck you in the shower, for the counter we have shit. Put it on you tonight. You know that it's on time.